Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can remove repost on TikTok social media platform. Keep in mind this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, when we open TikTok, you will be on your For You page. Let's say you scroll a bit and you want to click on someone's profile to see published content, but accidentally you repost it and now you don't have a clue how you can delete repost. Now I'm here to help you and solve all of your problems. After you are ready to delete repost, you must notice right side options. There are like, comment, favorites, share and soundtrack. You have to click on share icon above soundtrack. After that, you get various options to share that video to your friends and other social media, but we are not interested in that now. You will notice yellow button saying delete repost and you have to click that to successfully unrepost that video. And boom, your repost is now deleted. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials.